Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in conversion rate optimization, we'll discuss about what is a good copy, what is good copy that sells, what is a copy that improves the conversion rate, what is a copy that connects with your customers and engages with them, and what is a copy that makes your customers, that makes your traffic, that makes your visitors to take an action. Let's get started with it. What is a good copy in the first place? A good copy is focused on the user. It is completely user centric. It is completely traffic centric. It is completely visitor centric. It completely focuses on the user who is actually coming onto the website or a landing page, and that is actually a good copy. It connects and engages with the users. The good copy should have the ability to connect and engage with the users. That connects actually what drives you the conversion. A good copy should have the ability to connect and engage with the users. A good copy is persuasive. A persuasive language is what actually works at the end of the day. If you have the persuasive language in a copy, the content that you write, and that is actually what works. A good copy conveys the story and captivates the audience. Whether it is a website or a landing page, or you are writing something on social media, on the blogs, make sure that you write such a copy, you write such a content that actually tells and narrates a story, and that actually connects with the users, and that is what actually captivates the audience to take an action, and that is what actually sells at the end of the day. A good copy is conversational in style. Write in a conversational manner, write in a conversational style. The more the conversation, the better the interaction. The better the interaction, the more the engagement. The more the engagement, the more the leads. The more the leads, the more the conversations. So the copy that you write has to be conversational in style, and it is the imaginative, uses words that compels users to take an action. Imagination is important. Capture the imagination of the end user, the visitor to the website, and make sure that you write such persuasive language in a conversational style that actually compels them to take an action. And whatever be the action, it could be a registration, it could be a lead generation, it could be making sales, or it could be you are selling something. And these are the key factors that you need to remember, and that is what actually makes a good copy. Let us look into an example of what is a good copy and what is a bad copy. And here we have taken two examples. Let us say, for example, you are inviting your users from the database who are registered with you to a webinar, which is a free webinar that you are talking about. And let's look at these two examples. A good copy: join a free webinar where we will reveal and you will discover 3 powerful tools that will double your conversion rate instantly. It is completely focused, it is conversational, it is to the point, it has persuasion, and you are also showing a benefit to the users. And what is the benefit you are saying? You will double your conversion rate instantly, and this is actually what connects with the users. You are showing a benefit to the visitor, you are showing a benefit to the customer, and you are telling that you will discover 3 powerful tools. Discover 3 powerful tools is a very good hypnotic word that actually works, and you are concluding with you will double your conversion rate instantly. It means if you come to this webinar, if you learn about these powerful tools, you will be able to discover that you can convert your customers instantly, and you will double your conversions. And let's look at the other headline that you have written to your customers. Join a free webinar where we will show you the powerful features of a new software for your business. You are talking about yourself, you are talking about your business, you are talking about your software. You are not talking about the end user, you are not talking about the business of the customers, you are not talking, it is not user centric, it is not visitor centric, it is not customer centric. This is about your software, your features of your software, and this is from your side and this is from the user side. This is from the customer's point of view. You are telling the customer that they will discover powerful tools, 3 powerful tools that will double their conversions instantly. And this is a good copy, this is the bad copy. This is the work of a good copywriter, this is the work of a bad copywriter. And this is what actually is persuasive, this is customer centric, and this is what actually works and connects with the end users, the traffic or the customers. Rules of a good copywriting that you can think of implementing in your copywriting. Focus on features and benefits. At the end of the day, if I am a customer, I have come to your website or a landing page, I would be looking what are the features that are available in a product and how it will benefit me. And these are the two key important points that you should have in your copywriting, whether you are writing for a website or a landing page. Write 80% in second person. This is extremely important. You, your business, your growth, this is very important. You write in this language, in the second person. 20% in first person. I, what we can do for you, how we can help you, I will provide you this solution, and that will grow your business. That should be the ratio. KISS rule, keep it simple, stupid. This is an extremely important and widely used phenomena and a rule that normally people use. Keep it simple, keep it to the point, keep it crisp, keep it to the point, and express it lucidly. Identify the problem and give a solution or offer a solution. When you do research, the customer research, you identify their gray areas, their pain points, identify those problems and offer a solution that helps them. That is actually what connects and generates you lead, and the lead will become into a customer. Get personal and use interactive language. Besides being persuasive, get personal and interact in a conversational style. The more the interactive language, the better the conversions for you. Never hard sell, but be persuasive. Hard selling will never work. Don't shout from the rooftops and telling that you buy this product, this is the best product in the market. That will never work. Listen to the customers, understand their pain points, and be persuasive in your selling. Keep language simple and avoid difficult words. More often than not, we have seen copywriters, just because they want to impress their clients and customers, they use highly difficult words that people do not understand. Target audience may not be highly educated people. Keep the language very, very simple at a low level so that everybody can understand. CTA at the end of the day. CTA is what matters. CTA is actually the call to action that makes the user, that makes the visitor to take an action and use it judiciously with compelling content centered around it. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is a good copy and a bad copy example, rules of a good copy. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.